Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be telling you how you can make more money or extra money on onboard 3. So guys, watch this video until the end to understand the registration process, how to make money on this particular website. Okay, so if you're on my channel for the very first time or watching my video for the very first time, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also turn notification bell for future videos. Okay, my name is Cynthia and you are all welcome guys. So let's see on my screen. You can see I have a screenshot of someone else called Zainab earning. Okay, on Twitter I've been seeing this onboard withdrawal proofs from different people, and yesterday I decided to maybe try it from yesterday. Then today I'm like, let me share it with my friends or my followers or my fans so that they can also earn something from this onboard 3 website. So guys, I hope you are ready. I know you are in for this. It's so simple to register. I'm gonna show you the whole procedure, how to register, and exactly how to connect your accounts, how to do everything in there. It's so simple, but I got you guys. I'm gonna do this for you guys. Okay, so you can see this is someone's else post. As I've said earlier, you can see she was told, congratulations, you have been awarded for your outstanding performance in the quest. So I'm going to show you even other different earnings from other people too on this Twitter still. Okay, so let's see what this girl's posted. What she wrote. Okay, I made okay, and I known I made just $18 from doing quest on onboard 3. Meanwhile, people are earning $400, $200, and even 120 from the same simple task. I didn't push, I didn't take it seriously. I thought there was time. Turn out procrastination in is expensive. Okay, I'm sorry. This round I am not sleeping on it. If you are to if you want to join, what's wrong with my mouth? If you want to join, I'm sorry guys, the link is in the comment section. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna put the link to on the comment section on this video, and also I'm going to, yes mommy, I love you. Okay, I'm gonna I'm sorry, hey, this video, I'm gonna put the video on the description of the video, and I'm also going to link our WhatsApp group on the comment section so that you can join our WhatsApp group, because I normally give updates in there. So guys, let us go to registration process, what you need to do in order to start earning. Okay, before that guys, let me just show you some of other people's earnings on onboard. Okay, so you only need a link. I'm gonna put the link there, so make sure you grab it immediately after watching this particular video. So let's see. Let's type onboard. Let's search, or let's see, hashtag onboard. I know it is tagged somewhere. So this is their channel. Okay, so let's search for onboard. So let's search for onboard. Okay, anybody talking about onboard 3? Let's see, we have many people talking about onboard. Let's see this guy right here. I'm following him. Let's see this guy. This is onboard itself. Okay, so let's see other people also onboard 3. Let us see other people tagging it. So let's see okay, that girl. Okay, onboard itself, it's saying $200 quest alerts. You can see Aladi, this guy here, just did kudos to the team and also to that one for trusting the onboard 3 platform. Join onboard 3 today, you learn as much as you earn. It all about boils down to your effort. Okay, so guys, it's you learn as you earn. It's so simple. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot that I was making a video. You can see right here, this guy had withdrawn $12. You can see this guy also has won the quest. The guy has won $200. You can see these are different people. You can see this person withdrew 80 USDC. So guys, it is real. Let me save this. It is real. You can see from these are not my earnings. You can see from people. You can see this guy here. Man, if you are not a citizen, you are wrong. Then you see right here, guys. See, hi boss B, I made a withdrawal but it got rejected. Are you Damaria? Okay, you can see this person withdrew 400, completed, then 400, another $400 was rejected. I don't know what was the reason. You can see if you don't have a dev that pays you monthly salary, pivot to onboard. So guys, I don't want the video to be too long, but you can see people are making money on it, right? People are making money on it, guys. So jump on this thing immediately. You can please, it is like trending on Twitter. So this is something, guys, everybody can do this. So if I can do it, if those people did it, what about us? We can do, right? This guy here withdrew some 15 USDC. Yeah, so USDC is just the same as, they have the same price of USDT. They are just crypto. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect. Okay, the video is long already, but I'm gonna show you how to connect everything, how to withdraw and everything, to do everything. Okay, so let's go first. Let's go to the onboard itself. The first thing that you're gonna see when you tap on the link, it will go to your browser. It's gonna take you to your own browser. What is it? Okay, it's gonna take you to your own browser. Then it's gonna tell you to choose a name. Kindly choose a name that you can give yourself. This one, put your email address, then put your password, then repeat the password to confirm if it is correct. Then you're gonna get my code, so it will be here automatically once you have used the link. It will be here, so you don't need to type anything here. Then you're gonna click on create sample. So as for me, I have the account already. I just want to do demonstration. I want to show you everything, so I'm gonna log into my account here to show you everything. Okay, this is new account, guys. For the first time, if you register with my link, hear me guys, hear me out. Okay, so if you register with the link that you're gonna get on the description of the video, the first time when you register, they're gonna give you 50 XRP. You can see 50 XRP. You can see the time I've created this account. Okay, so it's still a new one. So you're gonna click onto these three you're gonna click on the three dots on your left hand at the top. You can see we have dashboard, we have quest, we have activity, learning coming soon, referral, quiz, partnership, and settings. Okay, so if you go to settings, so guys, if you go to settings, you'll see your email address, your username up there, and again they're gonna tell you bio. You can write something like, I just love learning, or just something simple. Okay, after that, you gonna do what? You gonna put here you're gonna connect your Twitter account. Okay, that is the most important one. So guys, you have to follow the instructions. You connect your X account, that is Twitter, to authorize to verify request for quests. You're gonna put your username on GitHub. If you don't have it, okay, you're gonna put your Telegram handle to verify it. Then you save profile changes. Then when it comes to wallet, PP, what is it, my love? Hold on, mama, wait, I finish. Important. Once you set your wallet address, it cannot be changed for security reasons. Okay, guys, so you have to be keen while setting your address, because you will not be able to change it in future. Okay, so wallet address, you're gonna put USDC wallet address for Solana or for Sol. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to get that. Okay, head to enter your Solana ID for receiving USDC withdrawal. So withdrawals method, like you can it's only USDC is a crypto. If you're new to crypto, don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to get that. So you're gonna click connect wallet permanently, so you can see your balance is 0. You can change your password. Yeah, you can change your password and update. You can notification everything you tick there. Then weekly digest, You can see everything there, or you can also log out. So guys, let us see. If you want to connect your wallet, you put address here, right? So we're gonna get address from my Binance. Okay, I normally use Binance. I have Mex account, I have Binance. Come here, princess. I'm going to use my Mex account. Okay, I'm gonna use my Mex account. So we're gonna click on our deposit. We're gonna click on chain. Any wallet that you're gonna use, just go for on chain. On chain is crypto to crypto. You are depositing crypto, right? We're gonna go for on chain. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Guys, I'm sorry, my baby is here with me, so the video is kinda all over the place, but it's not easy. So we're gonna go for USDC. Mama, careful. Let's type here if we can get it. USDC. Remember, the address must be on Solana. Aye, princess, stop. I'm making a video. So you're gonna go for Solana address, okay? So you're gonna go for Solana. You can do it's not only on Mex. You can apply this on all crypto address. If you eat Binance, be it OKX, be it Super X or others, or BTGate. Princess, stop. Please allow me. You're gonna click on copy. My baby's just dramatic. She doesn't want me to do this video. Please, guys, I'm sorry. So after that, we're gonna go back to our ONBOARD3 platform. My baby just needs my attention. Like, she doesn't want me to record this video. So I'm gonna come here to put the video, right? To paste. You can see I'm gonna click on paste to paste my address. So after that, you can see it is now pasted here. I'm gonna scroll down and click on connect wallet permanently. Remember, it must be okay. You can see I have to be say okay. So guys, you can see that up there I've set it. Wallet address is locked and cannot be changed for security purposes. So your current balance is 00. I can see they're telling me to manage withdrawals. Let's see what. So you can see this information up here. Available balance is 0 because it is new. I haven't made anything. It's just a new fresh account. I just created it. I wanted to do a video with this one to show you everything, how it's done. You can see right here, minimal withdrawal amount is $5. Okay, so that is the minimal amount you can withdraw, guys. It's so easy. So let us go connect my Twitter account. In order to connect the Twitter account, you're gonna go to dashboard. In fact, we don't need a dashboard. We're gonna go to settings again. It is still settings. Okay, so you connect your Twitter account. I'm gonna go to authorize. You can see connect your X account with that one. So I'm gonna go connect with X. I'm gonna use my X account. That is Twitter, guys. X is Twitter. You're gonna click on authorize app. Okay, the black. So guys, after that you're gonna put your GitHub. But as for me, I've forgotten my GitHub username. I'm gonna go to Telegram. Then after that, I save the profile. Okay. So the same thing, guys. That is the whole thing. Like, this is the whole procedure. This is everything that you need. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video, also comment if you have any question. Remember, the link is on the description of the video, guys. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.